Now here's something you don't see in our studio. Jeannie is doing a copyrighted Disney piece. The reason you don't see us doing this type of work is because it's copyrighted. However, the person we're doing this for has a license to be able to do this. So we're making one for him. And you can tell this is the back because there's no eyeballs on Winnie the Pooh or Tigger. How many pieces of glass is this, Jeannie?
103.
Man, that's a lot of little teeny tiny pieces.
They were quite fun to foil. I just wanted to show you this window, first of all, because I just finished it, and don't you always want to just show off the one that you just finished? I always think, people say, well, what's your favorite window? Well, the one I just finished, and the one that I'm getting ready to do next. But I did want to show you this one, because this is a little different. I sandblasted the letters. Oh, look at that. The piece of contact paper is still on there. That's awesome. And there it is. I took it off. That's awesome. So back to what I was saying. So I sandblasted the letters and then painted it with model paint. I think model paints are the perfect thing. They just seem, I was worried when I was scrubbing and stuff. Not a problem. It just stayed. And look at that cute little face. So I have an assistant, Tori, and she did the painting on Piglet, and I think she did a wonderful job. So, and look at the honey pot. Cute, right? So I think the painting really went well. I'm always worried when I do painting because for the most part I like the glass to tell the story. And so, but once in a while you just can't get the detail unless you do a little bit of painting. So just wanted to show you that, and have a great night. I'm going to sleep well.